You make it a so some
No. I will clip this one. Let me clip you from this one. I will clip you now.
Eji ọbata obi nwe onye ji ya na-eji ha ọ wụrụzie nke onye ọzọ ka m na-eje na-akụwasị isi na-eshi ya share for what my own leader adịda nke m amụma niile o kwuru
So let me take it back a bit. No, I want to take it back a bit so that you let's start from this place. Yes.
This Burkina Faso. Eji ọbata obi nwe onye ji ya na-eji ha ọ wụrụzie nke onye ọzọ ka m na-eje na-akụwasị isi na-eshi ya share for what my own leader adịda nke m amụma niile o kwuru na-eme onwe onye na-eje na-akụwasị isi nke ahụ adịme
Go to this woman platform, you will never hear anything about Mazam Namodekan. See any serious thing, or even to advise the only thing, what they said in the court, she will twist it. What somebody comment about it, she will twist. Is that how? What do you think people will make up from what they're saying? You are not helping anybody. People are talking about Mazam Namodekan. Go and watch True Survivor. He's always active on that. Go and watch 247. He's talking about Madam McCann. Even me, I'm talking about Madam McCann. Even yesterday, we discussed about it here on this program. So what do you do? Honorable Fulani, and you are here questioning other people. Shameless human being. Anyway, let me look for the video where they play. They have that. Let me see if I can locate that part. No. Let me look for that video. I think this is the one. Just a moment. I want to get the part where they danced. So we are going to end with this. Okay. We're going to end with this. Let me. Just a moment. No, start